Hi there, picking up Benjamin. That one there?
Yep.
Alright, and then just this sandwich. No drink? Alright, thank you so much. Items. Alright, take care. Okay. Go in there for a second. Yeah.
Hey, brother.
Hey, how you doing
I think I
today?
seen you at Blackbird because I have the hot dog cart over there.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Yeah, that's why I got the Milwaukee cooler.
Right on. Yeah, I think those things like 140 bucks. Cool, sir.
Yeah.
All right, man. Thank you, buddy.
Yeah, take care, man. Have a great one.
Come by, dude. I'll hook you up with the dog, bro.
Sweet.
All right, man. Thanks. Be safe, bro.
All right, man. Have a great day.